Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so today continue on geometric sequence. So last time we already learned about arithmetic sequence. Apa tu arithmetic sequence? Yang lepas ulang kaji sikit. So arithmetic sequence in which each term can be found by adding previous term by the same number. Okay. So yang dulu tu arithmetic sequence, kita nak dapat term selepas dia tu, term yang seterusnya kita tambah dengan nombor. So tambah dengan nombor tu, yang kita tambah tu kita panggil sebagai common difference. Okay. So can be positive or negative. Okay. So common difference can be positive and negative. Okay. So here geometric sequence. So geometric sequence lebih kurang sama lah. Cuma kat sini dia mengenai multiplication. Okay. So this one. So sequence in which each term can be found by multiplying previous term by the same number. Okay, so for example, first term we have 3. Okay, so next term, to find the next term, times by 3. Okay, so 3 times by 3 is 9. Okay, so 9 goes to 27 times by 3. So 9 times by 3 is 27. Okay, so next time goes to 81 times by another 3. And then from 81 to 243 times by 3. Okay. So all of this one times by 3, we call it as common ratio. Okay. So common ratio, the ratio between two successive terms. Okay. So di antara ni nisbah common ratio. Okay, so R. Okay, so common ratio R, we can find it by using second term divided by first term, or third term divided by second term, or fourth term divided by third term, and so on. So in this case, so I just use 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. Okay. Ni dah bawa kat bawah, dah ada dah pengiraan dia. Okay, kalau kita tengok kat sini ni darab dengan 4, yang atas ni darab dengan 3. Nampak 3, 4 je kan. Okay, so sometimes this number also can be not negative, fraction. Okay, so for example times by 1/3. Okay, so dia boleh fraction dan juga dia boleh negatif. Okay. Ni tadi. Okay, so we practice. Okay, kita tengok yang ni. Contoh 2 ni. Ada lagi tak bawah? Tak ada. Okay. So contoh 2 ni. Okay, so is this an arithmetic or geometric sequence? So macam mana nak tentukan dia arithmetic ataupun geometric? So katakanlah kalau arithmetic. So if it is arithmetic, so we need to find D. Okay, so D here for this one, let's say T2, what you got it? So 15 minus 10, the answer is 5. Okay, so next try third term. So third term, second term, the answer is also 5. Okay, so these two same kan? Sama. So bila same, we can conclude that it is arithmetic sequence. Okay. So kena samalah, tambah 5 and then plus by 5, and here also plus by 5, and here also plus by 5. Okay. Dia kena sama. Okay, so tengok yang bawah pula. So 2, 12, 72, 432. This one is 2000. Okay. So 2592. So ni tak ada apa-apa kat tengah ni, tak ada apa-apa ni. Ni tak ada koma. 2592. Okay. Okay, so yang ni katakanlah dia arithmetic. So find D dulu. Find the common difference first. Okay, so find the common difference D. So using T2 minus T1, so which is 12 minus by 2, which is equal to 10. Okay, so another way, third term minus second term, which is 72 minus by 12. So for this one, dapat apa? This one you got 60, right? Okay, so yang ni dapat 60, not same. Okay, so tak sama. Takkanlah sini tambah 10, lepas tu sini tambah 60. Ni bukan arithmetic lah. So kalau nak arithmetic sequence, dia kena sama. So this one not arithmetic. Okay, since it is not arithmetic, so try tengok the geometric ke bukan. Okay. Find R. So geometric use R common ratio. So second term divide by first term, divide by 2, which is 6. And then try another one. Term divide by first term. Second term. Okay, so we have 72 divided by 12, also 6. Okay, so sama ni. Okay, so therefore it is geometric sequence. Okay, macam ni lah kita nak detect sama ada dia ataupun geometric. Tengok R dengan D. Okay, so same as arithmetic. Arithmetic dia ada Tn. So geometric also has Tn. So Tn ni is any term. Okay, so formula for any term is equal to A times by common ratio R power of n minus 1. So ni n tolak 1. Bukan R power of n, lepas tu tolak 1 bawah ni, bukan So power R power of n minus 1. Okay. So A first term, R common ratio, n is term that we are trying to find. Okay, nth term. Okay. Okay, ada contoh ni. So find the given term for the following geometric sequence. Okay. So dah saya cari apa ni yang A. So A, find the 8th term. Find T8. For the sequence 2, 8, 32. Okay. So to find T8, first you need to find first term A. So A is 2. And here already given it is geometric sequence. So you need to find R. So R is divided by 2, which is equal to 4. Okay, so T8 is equal to A, which is 2, times by R power of 8 minus 1. So which is equal to 2 times by 4 power of 7. So berapa jawapan dia? Okay, so the answer is 32,768. Okay. So B, find the 9th term for the sequence 6, 18, 54, 162. Okay. So we need to find T9. So find the first term. First term is 6, and then R is common ratio is 18 divided by 6, which is equal to 3. Okay, so we have here T9 equal to A, which is 6, times by R 3 power of n minus 1. So 9 minus 1. So we have here 6 times by 3 power of 8. So berapa jawapan dia? Okay, so the answer is 39,366. Okay, so number 2, what is the number of terms for the following geometric sequence? Okay, so dia bagi the last term is 1024, 0. Okay, so A. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 40, and the last one 1024, 0. So this one first term, second term, third term, and so on until the last term we don't know. Okay, Tn. Okay, sama macam saya terangkan dalam arithmetic sequence. So kalau dia berhenti dekat T3 ni, kita tahu 3. So maksudnya kita tahu ada 3 term. So sekarang Tn. So we need to find n first. Baru kita tahu jumlah semua sekali ni ada berapa term. Okay, so therefore first we need A. So A kita dah ada lah, T1 ni. T1 is 10. So tak payahlah tulis A. So find R. So R is 20 divided by 10, which is equal to 2. Okay. So Tn is equal to 10240. Okay, so next formula of Tn is A times by R power of n minus 1 equal to 10240. Okay, so you have A 10, R is 2 power of n minus 1 equal to 10240. Okay, so 10 bawa pergi sebelah jadi bahagi. So 2 power of n minus 1 is equal to 10,240 divided by 10. Okay, so cancel kosong dengan kosong. So 2 power of n minus 1 is equal to 1024. Okay, lepas tu selesaikan. Macam mana? So index ni. Ingat ke tak ingat macam mana nak selesai? Okay, so kalau korang perasan 1024 is 2 power of 10. Okay, so 2 power of 10. Betul. Okay, so 2 power of 10. So since here 2 and here 2, so you can take power with power. So n minus 1 is equal to 10. So n is equal to 11. Therefore total number of term is 11. Okay, so semua sekali dia ada 11 term. Okay, so yang B pun sama. So B we have here first term, second term and third term. This one T n. Okay, so first term 100. So R is 80 divided by 100. So which is 8 over 10 divided by 2 is 4, 5. So 4 over 5. So R is equal to 4 over 5. Ni contoh fraction lah. Common ratio is fraction in fraction. Okay, so Tn is equal to 40.96. Okay, so formula of Tn is A times by R power of n minus 1, which is equal to 40.6. So A is 100. R 4 over 5 power of n minus 1 is equal to 40.96. And then 4 over 5 power of n minus 1 is equal to 40.96 divided by 100. Okay. So 100 tu bawa pergi ke kanan jadi bahagi. Okay, so next. So you have your 4 over 5 power of n minus 1 is equal to so ni bahagi 100. Jadi 0.4096. Okay. So next 45 kosong ni macam tak ada kaitan lah. Macam tadi 2 dengan 1024, tu dia ada kaitan lah, boleh tukar dalam bentuk power. So this one cannot change in term of power, so you need to take log on both side. 4 over 5 power of n minus 1 is equal to log 0.4096. Okay, so n minus 1 boleh bawa pergi ke hadapan, ni hukum log ah. So n times by log 4 over 5 is equal to log 0.4096. Okay, so ni base 10 lah. So base 10 ni dalam kalkulator kita boleh tekan lah. Okay, so n minus 1 is equal to log 0.4096 divided by log 4 over 5. Okay, so dalam kalkulator letak bracket macam ni. So kalau tak nanti jawapan dia entah, tak tahulah betul ke tak kalau tak letak bracket. Okay, so seeloknya letaklah bracket. Okay, so this one calculator, so the answer is 4. So n minus 1 is 4. So n is equal to 4 plus 1, which is 5. So therefore total number of term is 5. Okay, so jumlah semua sekali adalah 5. Okay. So next, sum of first n terms of geometric sequence. Okay, so the formula is given by this one. Actually, there are two formula. So for the first one, for r greater than 1, and second one is for r less than 1. Okay, so ni tak kisah pun sebenarnya, korang boleh guna pun mana-mana. So guna yang first betul, yang second pun betul. Okay, so kena tahu je lah, A ni first term, R ni number R, so R is common ratio, and N is number of terms. So as N ni sum of the first N terms. So seperti yang saya terangkan dahulu, for example S3 is T1 plus T2 plus T3. S10 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus until plus T10. Okay, so tak boleh nak kira satu-satu lah kalau dia banyak. Contoh find S50, so banyak sangat kan. So kita kena guna formula. Okay, so this one to solve two unknown variable. Okay, so biasanya kadang sequence ni dia akan jadi persamaan serentak. Okay, so for the arithmetic, so we use simultaneous equation by using substitution or elimination. While geometric sequence, so usually we divide using division. Okay, so equation with high power divide by equation with lower power. So substitution and elimination method hari tu saya dah ajar dalam persamaan serentak. Okay. Okay, so contoh ni untuk yang geometrik ni. Okay. So I have here all the terms of a sequence are positive. So dia kata semua positif. And the third term of the sequence is 45. Okay, so listkan dulu third term. T3 is 45. While the fifth term is 101.25. Okay, so fifth term T5 is equal to 101.25. Okay, so question, find the first term and the common ratio. Okay. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? Okay, so first from T3. So T3 is equal to A power of R n minus 1. So n is 3. So 3 minus 1. So which is equal to 5. So you have from this one A R power of 2 is equal to 45. Okay, so this one equation number 1. From T5 we will have A times R power of 5 minus 1, which is equal to 101.25. Okay, so from here you will have A times R power of 4, which is equal to 101.25. So this one equation number 2. Okay, so ini tadi macam mana nak selesaikan A dengan R. Okay, so for this one, the equation with higher power, so kuasa yang paling tinggi bahagikan dengan kuasa paling rendah lah. So yang paling tinggi ni persamaan nombor 2, paling rendah persamaan nombor 1. Okay, so therefore 2, equation number 2 divide by equation number 1. So AR power of 4 divide by AR power of 2 is equal to 101.25 divided by 45. Okay, azan. Okay, so AR power of 4 divided by AR power of 2, A and A cancel. R power of 4 divided by R power of 2. So index, hukum index 4 minus 2, which is R power of 2. So which is equal to, so this one divided by this one is 2 to 5. So R equal to square root of 2, which is equal to 1.5. Okay. So next find A. So guna je yang mana-mana. So anda akan ada A times by 1.5 power of 2, which is equal to 45. So A equal to, okay, so A is equal to 20. Okay, so next B. So B, find the sum of the first fifth term. Okay, so B. Okay, so sum of the fifth term, which is equal to formula dia tadi, A times by R power of n minus by 1 divided by R minus 1. Okay. So betul tak? Betul. Saya pun dah ingat-ingat lupa. Okay. So next, substitute all information that you have. So we have A, which is 20, R is 1.5, so power of n, which is power of 5, minus by 1 divided by 1.5 minus 1. Okay, so the answer is 20. 1.5 power of 5. Okay, so 1.5 power of 5 minus 1 is equal to 6.9375 divided by 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. So the answer is 267.75. Okay, so kalau dapat pecahan pun boleh tulis dalam bentuk pecahan. Okay, so next, lagi dan habis last. So for a geometric sequence, the second term is 6 and the sixth term is 7,776. Given that, okay, so given that all the terms are positive, find the 10th term. So nak cari term yang ke 10. Okay, so we have T6. So T6 is equal to 6 or not T6. Okay, so second term is equal to 6 and sixth term is equal to 7776. Okay, so to find 10 terms, so we need first term and common ratio. Okay, so from this one, T2 is A of R n minus 1. So n is 2. So 2 minus by 1 equal to R. So this is A times by R equal to 6. Okay, so second, T6. So A power of R6 minus 1 is equal to 7776. So this one implies A power of R power of 5 equal to 7,776. Okay, number 1 and number 2. Okay, so tadi kuasa besar bagi kuasa kecil. Okay, so equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. Okay, so you have here AR power of 5 divided by AR equal to 7776 divided by 6. A cancel. So R power of 5 divided by R is R power of 4. Okay, so 7,776 divided by 6 is 1,296. So R is equal to berapa tu? Sekejap. Okay, so equal to 4 root of 1296, which is equal to 6. Okay, so next A. So A using equation number 1. Okay, so this one, A times by R, which is 6, equal to 6. So A is equal to 6 divided by 6, which is 1. Okay, so A, find the 10th term. So 10th term T10 is equal to A times R power of n minus 1. So A is 1, R is 6, and 10 minus 1. Okay, so the answer is 6 power of 9. So which is equal to 10,077,000 996. Okay, so next B, find the 15th term, T15, so which is equal to 1 times by 6 power of 15 minus 1. Okay, so the answer is 6 power of 14. So banyaklah jawapan dia, berapa entah. Okay, so 6 power of 14. Okay, so kalau panjang sangat dia tulis 6 power of 14, cukup dah. Okay, so hilang pula. Okay, so that's all for this topic. Okay, so thank you, see you later. Assalamualaikum.